What's up, guys? Welcome to Revline 89, and you know what time it is? Well, it's time for a cold start, and this morning she's a little brisk out. It's about, I would say, 50 to 55 degrees outside. In the garage, maybe a little colder temps, about there. So it's actually the coldest temps that we've started the car this year. We are getting closer to that time when she gets put away, but for now, let's give her a good cold start. Oh, hey, before we do that, please, if you like the exhaust or the car, hit that subscribe button. It means a lot. So let's put the windows up here. I have been running the idle chop mod now for, I don't know, 2 months? Has it been 2 months already? I'm not quite sure. I drive anywhere from 1 to 2 times a week, and anywhere from 15 to 100 miles when I do drive, give or take. Probably 15 to 70 miles when I do drive. I keep the idle chop mod in 24/7. So yeah, you know, I love it. I keep it on 24/7 and I have no issues with it whatsoever. So that's just me. Yeah, you know, there has been nothing. I mean, the only thing that I've noticed was back in the summertime was when it was really hot. The hottest that I've tested it was, I think, 85 degrees outside, and the EGR got fairly hot. I don't know if you would want to drive it or let it sit for a long period of time. With it idling at 85 and higher. It's just my thoughts. Oh, I love this car. So yeah, but other than that, I haven't had any issues. I'm sure it'll cut back the life of the EGR, but for me, hey, I love it. It's awesome, well worth it. I mean, it's absolutely well worth it to me. You know, if I gotta get a new EGR, no problem. I'll keep running the mod full time as well then. So that's how much I love it. So, all right, guys,